Get back, guys. Get back. Noah, don't pet her. Just leave her alone. She's got to get used to being in the water.
She's not used to it. She's sick.
Jeffrey, don't go over by him, funny. Aaron, move over. Move away from her. Aaron, you're not listening. I'm going to make you get out.
Okay.
Oh, see, oh, they automatically doggy paddle. Jeffrey, what did I just say? Get away from her. She's trying to figure it all out.
Get the dog in the water. That's all. You see him pick him up?
What did swim? What did doggy tell?
I know how to swim.
I don't know if I got that around her neck.
Aaron, get out, Aaron. You're not listening. Get out of the pool.